Hello my pretty people, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. I apologize because I've been away for a long time, almost 1 year, but it was for a reason. I have my first channel. It took a lot of time. So guys, I want to wish you first of all a happy new year. I hope you enjoyed the holidays with your family and friends. If you're new here, I welcome you. My name is Irene, but you can call me Iro. Iro is just a little name of me. I like when people call me like that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an obi belt like this one with any fabric of your choice. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel and hit the bell button so you will always get notified when I upload a new video. So guys, I am back because I need to practice my English again. That's why I'm here, and I will do my best to upload more videos for you. Then I can share you some other DIYs I do on my French channel. So let's get started with the tutorial.
First of all, take your waist measurement like this and divide it by 4 and write it down. And for the width of your belt, it depends on you. So take that measurement and write it down. In my case, it's 16 centimeters. And now for the straps, take your waist measurement like this and multiply it by 2. Now, take a big amount of sheet of paper and fold it into 2. Then take a ruler and draw a straight line like this. The next step is to mark the width of your belt. In my case, is 16 centimeters large, so I draw 16 here like this. You take your waist measurement divided by 4 and you place it here. So here is my waist measurement divided by 4 and I draw like this. Now here I'm going to mark 2.5 centimeters and I draw a straight line. I'm not going to use this part. Now I'm going to divide this part into 2 and draw a straight line like this, and from that I'm going to take 3.5 centimeters on each side. That will be the width of my belt straps. So here it depends on each other. Now I'm going to design my belt like this. I use a French curve or just draw it by hand. So on this part you can design your belt the way you want. When you are done, cut everything out and you will need 2 pieces of this. The seam allowances are included, so just to let you know that. Now for the straps, as I said, you take your waist measurement, you multiply it by 2, and for the width, in my case, is 7 centimeters. You can take more or less, it depends on what you want. Just make sure that you have the same amount here and it will be okay. And you will need 4 pieces like this. The pattern is ready. Now we are going to sew it. I'm using African fabric. Here I have my 4 straps. I also have 2 pieces from this part and 1 interfacing. Take 1 piece and interfacing and give it a good press. When you are done, take that and right side to right side, pin it like this and stitch it. I do the same with the other part. The next step is to place pieces like this and right side to right side. I make sure that everything matches. Is very important. So please be present here. I pin it here first and then I can pin everywhere. At 1 centimeter seam allowance, I'm going to stitch everywhere like this, and I make sure to leave about 5 centimeters open so we can turn it later. Here you have to choose your shape. I chose a triangle shape and I stitch everything. Cut out the excess of fabric. Don't forget to leave here open. I'm going to turn it out. I do the same here. Now I'm done. I'm going to give a good press. This is how it looks already. Now I'm going to top stitch here at 0.5 centimeter. And I will close this part at the same time. We are already done. You can leave it like this. It's okay. Here I'm going to create something like a buttonhole. And you will have something like this. It will be very easy to wear.
Don't forget to like, leave a comment if you want. I will appreciate. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative, and God bless you. I will see you next time for another tutorial. Bisous. Bye bye.